Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw TRX from your Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your Tron tokens safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that your TRX is already in your wallet. If not, you'll need to acquire some TRX first, maybe through an exchange or by receiving it from another wallet. Once you're set, open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to your TRX holdings. It's usually under the TRX tab or in your asset list. Next, tap on the TRX balance to access the wallet details. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's typically an arrow icon. Before you proceed, double-check that you're sending to the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Now, head over to your Coinbase account on a web browser or app. Go to the Accounts section, select your TRX wallet, and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Make sure it's specifically for TRX, as crypto addresses are unique to each coin. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Coinbase address into the To field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if applicable. TRX uses the Tron network, which is known for its low fees, so this should be quick and cheap. Review all the details one last time: amount, address, and fees, then hit Confirm or Send. You'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Coinbase account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like TronScan. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. A quick tip: always double-check addresses and amounts to prevent losses. If you're new to crypto, consider starting with a small amount. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.